يا فرحة العين بالشوفة فرحة العين فرحتنا بعيادنا فرحنا يكمل بعيادنا فرحنا يكمل.
Hi guys, it's me Father Panda and welcome folks to another random vlog. Yes, in this video I'm hoping that me and my mom, Momma Panda, yes, Momma Panda, because I'm in Momma Panda's house as you can see. Yes, me and Momma Panda will be heading off to the nearest shopping centre, that's the West Bromwich town centre. We'll be going there. My mom's going to Bangladesh very soon, so she needs to get some bits and bobs from there. So I thought, yeah, I'm just going to tag along with my mum, and then I will be just going around and just checking what they have in the shops. If you're wondering where are baby pandas, I have left my baby pandas with their dad. Today is a very rainy day. It's very dark, you know, this whole room is very dark. Before I came to my mom's house, my front tire was flat, and you know what, I really need to get it changed. So I did ask my son's father to go and change the front wheel. So inshallah I'm hoping that will be sorted by tomorrow. Tomorrow's Monday, today's Sunday if you're wondering. But yeah, it's very windy outside. I'm not looking forward. And while I was pumping my car, my niqab was like this and this. It's like I felt like a princess if only the wind was flying this way. But it's like all over. It looked like I was like having an electric shock outside. Oh, I totally forgot. I will be going and meeting up with my friend. So later on, I will be vlogging that as well. So yes, folks, come along with me and see how our day plays out. Momma Panda's coming into the car. So yeah. Hello, Mommy.
Hello. No.
Okay, look at my mom's bag. Oh, it's cute little bag. Putting it on the floor right here. That's gonna move. So yeah, my car's behind Ma's car, Mom, just in case. So as you know, guys, we are off 2 hour shopping, any Mom?
Yes.
And my mom's gonna get some knickknacks because my mom's going to Bangladesh soon. Nearly everyone knows that. And yeah, my mom wants to get some stuff. And what exactly are we getting, Mom?
Let's see what I can get.
Let's see. Well, look at my mom's driving skills.
I know.
How long has Mom been driving, Mom, for?
Nearly 20 years, isn't it?
20 years. Professional driver here.
Maybe 25, 20.
25 or 20 years, wow. It's just been a few years, like probably 3 years for me. Even though I passed my driving test back in 2012, didn't really start driving until 3 years ago. So Mum, as we're going to West Bromwich, let's have a chat with the subscribers, with everyone out there. So if you're wondering, I had a question being given to me, I think on Instagram, that how long has my mom been in this country? So my mom came to UK when she was 14 years old. Any Mom?
Yeah, 1978.
My mom it was 1978? Yeah. So when Bangladesh and Pakistan was in war, mom was in Bangladesh at that time, innit?
Yeah, I was maybe 6 years old.
6 years old when this was happening, and it was like thingy. Did Ma see any bombs and stuff like that?
Oh yeah, I saw planes, and I was small, I remember. And when I see the plane on the top of it, and it's you know, like they're hitting, and I was so scared, and I went to the, you know, the Soki it's called. I went under it, and I was sleeping there. I was small that time. That's what I remember.
So, wow, it's
Big
raining.
Splash.
Big splash, but yeah. So my mum saw loads of bombs and stuff by Pakistan, and my mum ran underneath the What do you call it again?
It's called soki.
Soki, I'm not even sure what that is.
Wooden, sleeping bed.
Oh, okay, she ran underneath her bed basically and then hiding under there.
Yeah.
How long did it last, Mom? Does I remember?
I can't remember.
That was dramatic time, innit?
9 months, nearly 9 months. It was. It was 9 months. I remember, maybe 9 or 12 months takes. We keep going on, and that time. I remember my mom was so scared that time. She was scared as night time, so we don't stay at our home. We went our grandparents' home.
Not many people used to walk on the roads then.
No, nobody. Everybody is hide in their houses, or everybody ran away, left home. So I remember this. It's so scary, and it was bombing every time. Keeps bombing and killing people as well. I remember a little bit.
Yeah, it was dramatic time for Bangladesh at that time. But Alhamdulillah, now it's okay, isn't it, Mom?
Everything is okay.
Alhamdulillah.
Every Muslim is same, but it's like it's a Zulu. One of the brother, they shouldn't do that because they are all Muslim, brother and brother, sister and sister. But
yeah,
they don't understand Islam. That's why they are, making zulum to their brothers.
That's the answer the question then. When my mom came to UK, I would say that my mom is more open-minded, so she's not that cultural, because obviously because she came to UK when she was 14 years old, you can say she grew up in UK, so that's why my mom's a little bit more open-minded. So yeah, so some parents are quite cultural, but yeah, we don't really follow culture as much, any Mom? No. But we are proud to be who we are, any Mom?
Yeah. We are Muslim.
Yes.
I'm very proud because we are Muslim. We got Iman. Iman is the best one.
Yeah. Alhamdulillah for that. So we have arrived at West.
Yeah, it will be better.
Yeah. So my mom's just parking up and we just arrived at West Bromwich, and yes, let's see what's out in the shops. Come on, Mom. My mom was like a road runner. Winds are hard. Woo.
Look at
my hands are cold. Let's get going. Yeah, Mom, it's free parking. Yes. Let's go to Primark, Mom. Let's go. Look at these dresses. Cute, isn't it?
Look at Denise. I don't like this dress. कुंजात नाही यार कुंजा ये देखिए
Mom's not finding anything that Mom likes. I know, Mom. Yeah, Mom.
It's a large one. What's a medium then?
There should be medium in there, Mom. Just check it, Mom. So I guess Momma Panda picked out some leggies. So guys, I picked this out for when I go to the gym. I will buy this while I go to the gym. It's like £8 at Primark. I have picked out these. Look at these. They're cute, aren't they? Really cute. I like it. Nice. Look at the state of my niqab. Oh my god, it is like windy or what. So yeah, I'm just putting the bags into my mom's car. I told my mom couldn't walk it because she got pains in her leg. Oh my god, it is so windy. Here you go. And by the way, guys, I'll quickly show you. I didn't get the shoes because I felt like my feet was hurting a little bit in there. But I just got the jogging bottoms, and my mom got her leggings, some knickknacks, like some makeup and stuff like that. So yeah. Woo. let me close this. It's so windy. While I was in Primark actually, I met my friend and I haven't saw her in ages. Now this friend of mine, she's so cool. Her name is Rashida. She's so cool. I remember having maths class with her and she used to make me laugh. Was it maths class? No, it was a maths class. It was geography class in high school and we used to laugh so much. But mashallah, wow, there is. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, my niqab's gonna fly away. But anyway guys, I'm going back to where Momma Panda is and yeah, we'll see what else we can buy at the local shops here. So right now we're at Poundland and we have brought some celebrations. My mom wants to give them to her cousins and stuff, and she bought a hair color box for herself. My mom's gonna look like red hot chili. Any mom with them a hair dye. So yes, I'm at Poundland. Look at that, Poundland. Let's look what's at Poundland. Kids' toys, Mom. Exactly. You can't give that to your grown cousin. So kid toys. No. Mom's getting that for my auntie Masasi on my dad's side. She doesn't like drinking Bangladeshi tea. Kind of weird, but she likes UK tea, British tea. Oh yeah, my son wants some hot chocolate, so yeah, I'm gonna get that. Mom, anything else? My next fufu, that is my youngest one. What does fufu like to eat, Mom? That's Mom's sister-in-law. My mom's getting some pasta for my brother and my mum. Wow, this is my favorite aisle in Poundland. Food aisle. Food. So this is all the shopping. Now we're gonna go to the checkout. Mom, anything else? No. Yum. This is my mom fighting over some bags. I said I'm gonna carry them, but yeah, we've come out to Poundland now. We're heading back to the car. Any Mom? Yeah, we go to Tesco. We'll go and drop you off in the car. Mom parked it 1 mile away. Okay, we're back at the car again, putting all the bags inside. My mom probably spent 20, how much, Mom? 50. Near to £50. And yeah, I don't know how much I spent, but anyway, we're going back again to we're going back again. We couldn't find anything for my auntie or my uncle, so yeah, we're going to Tesco this time round. Oh my goodness, and the wind is getting a little bit too much now. Yeah, but oh, I like that style. Look, Mom, I like that style. Got pink. Okay, we've come to Tesco's in West Bromwich. My mum brought some Lynx set for her cousin. So this is the spray, deodorant, and this is the body wash. We couldn't find a set, so I think that is okay. Yeah, and I'm sweating, man. Oh, any Mom? Is Mom sweating as well? I feel like I got a hot flash now. Yeah.
আমি কাপড় চোপড় ধরে লাগিয়ে আনছি
Oh. Yeah, here, Mom. Oh God, we just came back into the car. Oh, we couldn't find majority of the things for my mom's cousin brother and my auntie and stuff, and now we're on our way back home to Momma Panda's house. And yeah, it is raining. My mom felt like she's gonna be blown away, literally. So heavy winds, and yeah, the rain's not really helping as well. So yes, let's get going back to Momma Panda's house. Just for a second day, folks. The whole car's like wobbling, like continuously, because the winds are very, very strong. Oh my goodness. That's supposed to be Sandwell College, isn't it, Mom?
That's Sandwell College.
Yeah. My goodness. Okay, I'm just outside my mom's home and I'm on my way to go and meet my friend, and unfortunately it is raining really, really bad. It's really bad. Look at that, look at that. So bad. I'm just huddling under this. My mom was like saying, don't go outside. I said, Mom, it's okay, I'll stand next to the front door. I'm waiting for the taxi guy to come. And the reason why I'm not taking my car all the way to Birmingham is because it's got a puncture, so it needs to be changed, hopefully tomorrow, inshallah. But yes, I'm waiting for the taxi. Come on, taxi guy, hurry up and come. And oh my God, damn, look at my eyes. Okay, folks, I have come to Mrs. C's house. So I just wanted to tell you guys that my friend has cancelled and I've come to Mrs. C's house instead. Hello, Chupian. So yeah.
Look, the pizza's on. I'm so sorry.
So yeah. Hello, Mrs. C.
I just got you these for now.
Oh,
I'm sorry they broke it.
it's
I made
okay.
you a burrito.
Wow, she made me that. Let's pull. So let's see. Whoa, look at that. I'm gonna chomp on that now. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, guys.
Good driving lesson. No more driving.
I'm here with Mrs. C. You can see Mrs. C. We're going. She's gonna drive me around because the Queen needs a driver, so I allocated her to do the driving. So yeah, we're just gonna go down to where we're going, by the way. It's up to you. So yeah, whoa, it's still windy and there's no stinking car parking space on this road. Oh God. But anyway, we're walking down to her car.
On the pizza that you
That pizza was really lovely, you know. I need to go and get some more pizza as well. I forgot the area that my sister lives in, everyone stays. It's okay. But yeah, let's get going. Okay, as you can see, oh, my niqab's like blown everywhere and I keep looking at the screen. But anyway, we're here with Mrs. C. And yeah, my hands are cold. But anyway, oh God, she's driving, folks, she's driving. It's first time, by the way, that Mrs. C is driving me, the Queen, around. Did you just steal the car?
Yeah. No, don't put that. Do you know why? Because I
Don't
don't know.
be nervous.
I'm not nervous. I'm trying to come
Okay.
out. I'm not being nervous. Now take that car around my face.
You're trying to come out. There's no cars behind
There's
us.
a car at the front. Joey, do you want me to crash my car? My husband's car. He'll break me if I crash this car. Do you want to go to Greens?
I don't want to go to Pack supermarket.
It's not Pack, it's Greens.
I didn't come all the way across Birmingham to go to Pack supermarket. You're taking me to Fort.
اللهم سهل لنا حزن من المؤمنين وإنا إليه منقلبون. Yeah, I really went the wrong way. I'm coming the right way now.
She don't even know where she's taking the queen.
Mate, you ain't no queen.
You're gonna get fired. You're gonna get fired now. That's my driver. Okay, so Mrs. C is taking Mrs. Star City. She thought that she was lost, so we ended up at Star City.
We're not at lost. I just thought that I'd take you because you always go on about Star City.
Let's go to Star City, man.
I'd be here all the time.
Yeah, I'll be here like all the time if I lived near Star City.
So we made it.
Yeah, she made it.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
In my Peugeot car.
In her little car.
That was your first car, remember?
Peugeot, yeah. It was one of the family car. It was I think I drove my one a couple of times, but it kept on breaking down.
The what? The Peugeot?
Yeah, the Peugeot.
No, you don't.
The Peugeot 206 or
and then
something.
you had the BMW. Remember the BMW?
You mean a picture of BMW?
No, remember? Or was that your husband's car?
No, that wasn't my car at all.
Oh.
But yeah. Come on, let's get going. So, where are we planning to go?
I don't know, you saying I brought you to South City.
Yeah.
Wait.
Are you holding my hand?
Yes, I am. Crossing roads. I'm like that with my kids, so hold the hands.
I think we're gonna go to Zox because I'm dying to go to Zox for ages for a buffet.
It's not gonna get night now. It'll be out before dark. I can't drive in the night.
So she's a new driver.
Me that I can drive in the night. My eyesight's still the same.
Yeah.
It's just I haven't tried it yet.
You just have to, drive slowly. I guess that's what it is. So. Yeah. Oh, look at my niqab. So yeah, we're going to Zox to eat now. Mrs. C.
What do you think of my driving?
Okay. I'm a better driver though.
Seriously, I'm not putting that up, man. This is all I'm having. I'll eat more.
You will not. I paid £15, guys. £15, and we're gonna eat. Yum, yum, yum. Look, chicken. I've got some sesame chicken, some fried chicken, some spring roll. Yum, yum, yum. Second plate, guys. My second plate. And look at Mrs. C. Still small. You best eat a lot of cake then if you're gonna eat these small things.
Yeah, I gotta keep room for the dessert.
Yeah.
Alright then, I'm just giving mine. Here you go. 078
Yum.
942.
Mrs. C doing business. Guys, just came out of Zox. I'm so full. Oh, full. Mrs. C, how do you feel?
I feel good, thank you.
I feel like I've eaten my limit, man. I stopped myself. I thought to myself, I'm not going to come back. I'm not going to come back to Zox to Star City, so I might as well stop myself. So I'm just going to quickly grab some stuff for my baby pandas. And she's like on WhatsApp.
She thinks she's the queen.
I am the queen.
You're right.
But anyway, yeah, gonna go to Subway and grab some cookies or something for my sons. So yeah. Yep. Okay, guys, it was so windy. Oh my goodness, I'm back in Mrs. C's car. Gosh, look at this. What the hell is this?
You know what? That was really nice what we ate.
Yeah, I love the cheesecake. I love the cheesecake. Look at me. What the hell is that? Oh, I don't know. They got some nasty stain on my niqab, man. So, but anyway, I'm happy that you took me out. Apparently, she's gonna take me to her local Pack supermarket. Well,
It's a Pack.
they turned it into Greens supermarket, but really it's Pack. So, but this is a different name. So yeah, She's gonna take me down to there, and yeah, alhamdulillah, I had a good day, alhamdulillah. So let's go and see what's this greens or packs is, and yeah, that's our next location. You have to straighten the car.
Don't worry, I'm doing it, Afa. I know what I did wrong.
Oh, this is filming. Okay, guys, we're at Greens, and my sister's still struggling to park the car, but it's okay. We're outside Greens right now, and yes, look at my sister's car right here. You need to get a new car, man, Mrs. C. I need to buy me a car as well.
It's parked right in the line.
Mrs. C's car parking.
Let's
Bye.
go.
Come on.
You're such a bag. At least I passed away. I've been half a like passed on there.
Come on then. Let's go to.
You know what? I actually park it over there. I don't know
Why?
It's the view in it.
What do you mean the view? It's like a hill park. Why you want to park on the hills?
Come on then.
Let's go.
Not recording me, man.
Let's go.
Because you know that car, it's not like yours. You know how your brake is powerful?
Yeah.
Our brake's not that powerful. You have to brake early.
Oh my god.
That's why I said no. That's why I said no. You remember you used to drive that car? You were like, oh my god, it's so crap.
Yeah, the car was so crap.
It is.
I
but
would
he-
never
but
in my
he's not
life
gonna
get them kind of
paid.
car.
That's taking us round local, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, this
There's a toy section from here.
really, really big, to be honest.
It's changed. It used to be a green pack supermarket. They've turned it into Greens now. So.
Oh, that's really good.
The cups are there if you want cups. They're quite cheap, the cups are. But they brought these ones. I don't like these ones, but you can have a look.
It's halal, no alcohol, no alcohol.
Yeah, these one what we get for Ramadan. My husband gets these. Like for Ramadan, he gets these or he gets.
They're really, really nice, by the way.
That's non-alcoholic, guys. Look at that. Would do you want one?
No. I'm too full, man. Drinks and all that.
I'll buy you one.
No. Let's go to the toy section.
Come on,
Mrs. C, put your pennies away. You don't need to buy me nothing.
I am a freelance makeup artist, people.
She's making a lot of money.
I wish. If I was rich, I'd be driving a bloody Mercedes.
You mean Audi?
It's not Audi, it's Audi, man. People,
Audi,
can you correct my
Audi.
sister?
Audi, guys. Which one? I say Audi. Okay, I could be wrong, but I don't know.
These. My pens with these cups like you know.
You got a toy section?
Yeah, all everything's pound.
Everything £1. Oh wow!
I could come here to take
£1.
Mom can take things to Bangladesh.
Yeah.
Look at £1. I brought these for my boys the other day.
Okay, folks, this is what I bought. This probably be £5-6 right here. Shall we get going then, Mrs. C home? Yes, I think we should.
Can't put that in.
Forward to. Okay, we're just coming out. We grabbed. I spent £8, and yeah, Mrs. C's car. We're just gonna go back into her home, and yes, your tire's a little bit flat, Mrs. C. Here, it needs a little bit pumping. What do you think, guys? Yeah, a little bit pumping. But yeah, let's get going home.
I need to tell my husband.
Okay, guys, we're back at Mrs. C's house.
And
Yeah, Mrs. C.
now, man.
So her tire's gone thingy flat, but yeah, it's 4:10. I don't know if you can see that. 4:10. I'm just gonna chill here for another 2 hours, and then I'll be going back home.
Jill, you gonna have tea?
I would like some tea. Yes, please.
Do you want coffee or tea?
No, I have heartburn. That's the one thing about
green
me.
tea?
No.
She doesn't want anything healthy, you guys.
Yuck. I
She don't want
hate.
anything healthy, you get me? Get up.
And by the way, Mrs. C, you're fired as my driver. Thank
That's
you.
not my fault that my husband's got a thingy car, mate.
You need to change your car, man. And anyway, Miss C, you're gonna buy me a car.
Listen,
as well.
everyone.
She's buying me an Audi.
Listen, my sister's going on like she drives a bloody Ferrari. Give me a break, mate.
I've just said that I need to change my car, so I'm telling you, you're gonna buy me an Audi in it. Okay.
Yeah, I can't even afford a £200 phone.
Hello. Can you say Khala? Khala. I love you. Khala's
Yeah, I
cold.
took Hannah out, but she flattened my tyre.
I didn't flatten your
With a
tire.
big bomb.
I don't think so. You're fired as my driver.
Oh, whatever. My meal, guys.
Yeah. I paid for a meal at Zark's and we had a good time. Did you have a nice time?
I had a wonderful time. We hardly spend time like this with each other. I've been moaning for the past week with her and I've been having arguments. I said, I'm not talking to you no more.
She just wanted me to take her out, so I did.
No,
so
you never took me out. Such a bet.
I'm still at my sister's house, so I'm going to be catching a taxi back to my mum's and then grabbing my car from my mum's house, and then I'll be riding back home. Yes, folks, it's nearly 7 o'clock, and yes, I need to be heading back home. I hope you liked this video because today, definitely I had an enjoyable day today. The winds was very hard today. I thought that I would be like blown away. Oh my God, subhanallah, it's so strong the winds were today. But anyway, so I hope guys you liked this video because I definitely enjoyed filming for you guys. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, like always, please click on the subscribe button below. So guys, I will see you in my next video. It's me, Momma Panda, saying bye.